In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a label in Wufoo. Whether you're creating a new form or updating an existing one, understanding how to label your fields clearly and concisely is crucial for guiding respondents efficiently through your forms. First, you need to open Wufoo and navigate to your form. Start by logging into your Wufoo account and heading to the Forms dashboard. This is your command center where all your forms are visible, and from here, you need to select the specific form you want to edit by clicking on the Edit option. Alternatively, if you're creating a brand new form, you'll want to select or open that form to begin. Once you're in the form builder, your next decision is whether you need to add a new field or modify an existing one. If you're starting from scratch with a new field, pick the field type you need from the selection available, like a single-line text or a drop-down, and drag it into your form layout. If you are making changes to an existing field, simply click on the field in the form builder to select it. After selecting a field, you will see a Settings or Options panel appear, typically on the side or above the form. This panel is a key feature, housing all the controls necessary to customize the field's properties, including the essential task of adding or editing the field label. Now, let's focus on changing the field label. In the Settings panel, look for the Field Label option. This is where you will either enter a new label or make changes to an existing one. For example, you might decide to change the label from something as general as first name to something more personal or clear like your given name. The label text you set here is what your form respondents will see, making it a critical component of their experience. Your label should be straightforward, concise, and descriptive, ensuring it conveys precisely what information you are requesting without ambiguity. A well-crafted label not only guides the user but also enhances the accuracy and effectiveness of the data collected through your form. Taking these steps can significantly improve form usability and engagement. Authoring clear labels avoids confusion and increases the likelihood that respondents provide the information you're truly looking for. This small but vital change can have a big impact on the quality of responses and the overall success of your form. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only learned how to add or edit labels in Wufoo, but also improved the user experience for all your form respondents. For more tips on optimizing your forms, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching.